Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Sodi and today I am going to explain my HTML5 contact HTML. First I wrote Doctify HTML. It tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Then HTML language in English means the language of my page, page is English. In the head section I add meta text for character set and viewport, and I gave the page title my contact page. In the body body I used a header with the heading contact me. In the main section I wrote a short message, you can reach me at. Then I add my email using a mail link, my phone number using a call link, and address showing now Gurukul, Chhattisgarh, India. Fi- Finally, in the footer, I wrote let's contact and learn together. That's it. This is my simple contact page using basic HTML tags. So thank you for watching this my video. Thank you so much.